Having a little trouble with my 21-year-old washing machine. This would be probably the third time it's done it. It's a very good machine except for plastic parts. This is the switch that gets triggered every time the door is shut to tell it's okay to run. And you really don't want to stick your hand down in there and grab a piece of clothes if this isn't working. But since this is the third time, and each time I change this out, it's like 30 bucks. I don't want to buy a new washing machine. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is add in a toggle switch. I may, since I want to keep it close to the wires that are already there so I don't have to rewire everything, I'll probably just drill a hole and mount that switch right here, and just like that, and hopefully that will resolve the issue and I'll never have to do this again. If I wanted to change this switch out, I have to take apart the washer. I have to pull it out on my porch, take it apart so I can get to the wires that are on the bottom. The harness goes all the way down to the bottom of this thing where it plugs into another gadget. I'm going to try and get it where I can just clip off the wires, put on some ends and reattach it to this, and drill a hole and be done with it. I'll never have to deal with that one again. Well, it's connected up. I just got to drill a hole somewhere up here so I can put the switch through it. It may not be pretty, but hopefully it's functional for at least a few more years, and maybe our financial situation will improve by then where we can afford to buy another washer. It does have other problems, and I didn't see spending another $35 or $40 or however much it is this time for another assembly to fix this thing. So maybe this will work out for a little while and we won't have to worry about that. So it's kind of cheesy, but hopefully that works, and I'll try it out right now. I'm gonna have to fill it up. Everything works on this with the door open except for the spin. So I've got to get some water in here first. Make sure that's on low. Make sure it's on the low setting so it doesn't fill up all the way. But gotta get some water in here first, and we'll find out if it works. So with the switch on, that should be as if the door is closed. So once it gets to the part where it's draining and spinning, then we'll be able to see that. And I'll probably go ahead and flip the switch off to see if it stops. And if it stops and then it starts back on when I turn it on, then I'll call it good, and I'll get to let my wife know to make sure that that thing is turned off before she sticks her hand down in here. But that little bit of engineering saved me about 40 bucks, I think. Can't remember how much they were last time. It was like $39. That's been, probably 8 years ago. We've had it for 20 years, so I've had to replace this thing, but this would have been the third time, I'm sure. You would think they wouldn't put so much plastic in these, but so that's the old switch. But we'll find out how well it works.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Protecting the safety of the crane and the cast sadly is kept in vital. For no matter how silly the idea of having a scene like me was, Americans must be gracious.
Thank you, Lieutenant Brevin. Of course, we all have to believe that this portion of the cleanest American video store is conflicted. We all have indeed, for all that we will be able to share in the celebration, especially tonight, will be the Queen's public appearance.
Safety feature is gone now, but it will function. It's only grown-ups in the house, as long as the grown-ups remember to flip the switch. And we've got a working washing machine once again.
Who'd have thunk it?